Okay, so I've got everything I need here to do my once a week starter. I've got my jar clean, ready, out of the dishwasher clean, and I'm going to add to that jar 25 grams of starter. I'm working today with a Coruscant starter, but it works the same with any starter, be it a rye, wheat, or blended. So we're going for 25 grams, and if I have a 0.1 or 0.2 grams too much, I'm not going to worry about it. Our hands are washed because we do use our fingers a little. We can't avoid it, but who cares? We're baking at home for our friends and family. We just want to be careful and don't want to damage our food. Just a tiny bit more out. Doesn't even matter, so we'll leave it at 25.4. And to it, we are going to add 100 grams of flour. Again, this time we're using a whole grain Coruscant. Coruscant is a wheat variety. Look at that, 125.4. 100 grams of flour it is. I've got a pot heating on the stove. It's empty. This guy, I'm going to put water in it. It should be hot enough just to heat the water. Baby warm for the starter. A second, and it's good. So we're going for 225.4. We always lose a little bit, which is why I always put a little extra in, but a little extra wasn't quite enough this time. Good. You can see we have now 225 grams of starter. Once we've mixed it and let it rise a little. This is the same we started with in the other jar. So next week we're going to have 225 grams of starter. We're going to take 25 to feed a new batch of starter. We're going to add 100 grams of water, 100 grams of flour. We're going to bake with 200 grams of starter. We have no waste. And we stir it really well. Remember, it's not hot, it's warm. Warm like you would give for a baby. Enough to grow your mushroom, not enough to burn it. And we want to get all the flour and all the starter that's in the bottom of this jar. Some people will use an immersion blender. I don't care. Trusty metal spoon, a jar, and an elastic. Now I'm going to take this and just wipe it around, and I'm going to use a piece of paper towel after because I really want the sides clean. I'm kind of fussy that way. Is it critical? Not everybody's fussy like I am. So I just take my piece of paper towel, give it a good wipe, and it's nice as can be, easy to see. Now, on the previous batch of starter, we had an elastic. Same. By volume it measures, by weight it measures. We're going to take this elastic. We're going to put it over here. Okay. Now the Coruscant starter is a little thinner than a conventional wheat starter, but it'll thicken and set as it goes. And that is how we maintain our starter. Lid on, loose. Good? Thank you.